everybody, it's Jess, and we have an unboxing to do. I am really excited about this because it has some D.LEAGUE stuff that I have been also looking forward to having in my collection in my office, and you guys get to see me see it. Shout out to JPFans for being the middleman between me and, in this case, Mercari Japan, where you can't really get stuff shipped to you without a proxy site. JPFans does a great job of showing you like the transparency of the shipping, as well as they send you photos of the items as they arrive into their warehouse before they ship them to you, just to confirm everything. And they absolutely act as your middleman in communicating with the original sellers, so you're able to get the stuff when you need it. So I'm ready to open this bad boy up and see what we have. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, the first one, it is, I would believe, probably my favorite thing that I got. It is a Kelly standee. If you don't know who Kelly is, he is our beloved MC of D.LEAGUE, and as you can see, it's nicely wrapped up. You can see the original wrapping of what was being sold on Mercari, and I believe this is an extra loving package courtesy of JPFans, so thank you for that. I'm excited to put him up in my office. Okay, next up is Tamaki from, oh my gosh, from Soken Kwans. Tamaki was one of the first to leave a comment from that team from this past season, and so I really wanted to get her card in hopes that I'll be able to interview her one day. So we're gonna lay that out there. Ooh, we're gonna save that for later. This, as you can see, I'm trying to get it sent off to the side here. Oh, if you're noticing there's these little barcodes, I'm assuming it's to keep track of your items. See, so small. This is an affiliation with the Jet Boy Bangers, and the catch of it is it's a chicken, and as you know, I have a whole chicken lore about me, so I thought it'd be really fun to get a J-pop group that is affiliated with D.LEAGUE that has a little chicken. Also, that's a little standee that we get to enjoy together. Something that's not D.LEAGUE related, but it is something that is near and dear to us, is Sway. He is our battle MC, and it looks like, hopefully it's in here. I feel like I need to unpack this even more. This is a Sway whole little mini thing. I have a Sway trading card, which makes me really happy. I really do, as a side note, love how this is packaged. It feels like they took care of the things that I've wanted, where I have zero issues in how it's packaged so far. So I have two of them. Let me know if you want one, or maybe if I run into Sway, I'll ask him if he can sign one for me. I think that'd be really cool. And then here, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. We're doing a whole little mini unboxing here. I believe there's like a whole second half of this as to why I actually bought this is because not only do we have, oh yeah, not only do we have Kelly, but Sway's also got a standee. You thought I was not gonna find one? Oh, we found one. So I am so excited to have Sway right next to Kelly. And you know what, for funsies, I'll probably, if I interview either of them, we'll make them use their standees as microphones. What do you say? Ooh, so fun. I love this. Next up on my package is one of the things that I've really wanted. And I believe, if I'm picking up the right thing, this is a ticket holder. Now, if you've ever been to D.LEAGUE, which I know quite a few of you have, their tickets look really pretty. So much so that they're a different color depending on if you're looking at the hype or the vibe round. I wanted to find a place to hold them, and they had this on the website, but it was sold out, so your girl had to get one herself. So this is a D.LEAGUE ticket holder, and I really like the lanyard. It's one of those good goods, you know, where it's built, it's stacked, it's dope. So yeah, I'm really happy I have one of these now. I know, and I have a home to put all of my tickets. It's gonna be great, because you know we are absolutely gonna go again, and I would sincerely love for you guys to actually talk to me. Some of you said you saw me there. Come find me, come say hi. I wanna meet you. Okay, and now the next thing. Oh, how fun. Okay, so you guys know that D.LEAGUE has books that are essentially talking you through, it's a guide. You get to see all the players that are on the roster. Sorry if this is a little loud. And they have them made, I believe the only season that doesn't have one is the first season, 2021. But I was able to acquire a couple of these that I'm missing in my pool. 21-22, this bad boy. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? So at this point in time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We had 11 teams. We had 9 in the original, and then we've added a couple teams here where iMoon is still using next. Liveful got added in 21, if you were curious. Rest in Power, we love them. And I believe Dip Battles also was added, but everybody else is an OG team. So we got that. I wanted these as little keepsakes because if you look at how big, it shows you every single person that's a part of a respective team. And I thought that'd be really cool. And as I get to know more Japanese, oh my god, I need to learn Korean too. The more I get better at that, I'll be able to read this as a fun reference. So I got not only 21-22, but I also got 22-23. Now, I am missing the 23-24 and the 24-25 season, and that does make me a little sad. Those were the 2 items that unfortunately the sellers did not get in contact with JPFans on, so those weren't able to come in, but everything else is exactly what I asked for, and it came in great condition because the charm of when you shop on sites like Mercari Japan, they take really good care of the items. Just the sellers do in general, so you're gonna get a really good quality product, which is why now I have an ability to get it shipped internationally to me. And looking and seeing how everything is in pristine condition, like package on package, I mean, I'm safe to say that JPFans is a trusted proxy. I will absolutely be using them first because of, like I said, not having to deal with unknown shipping prices until it shows up in the warehouse is a huge game changer for me personally, because it really bit me in the butt when I looked up and I got the zip up from D.LEAGUE. I love it, but it costs so much because I just didn't know how much that shipping was going to be. But in a nutshell, I am so happy I got all of this. I'm going to set up my Kelly and my Sway standees and my little chicken up in my office so I can see it every time we watch a league. I'm Jess, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.